everyone. I've got James and Myla Murray here. We met about 2 years ago now, is it?
Yeah.
Close to 2 years ago?
Yeah.
And basically James and Myla made an application for spouse, and in that particular application there was already a child involved. So we had to do other things with other processes with their application to include the child Mayumi. Now, James, just before we continue with that, how did you find out about my services?
Well, I was actually in a grocery store, a Filipino grocery store.
Okay.
And there was a flyer there, and
Okay.
I thought, oh well, I'll grab that and
Okay.
I'll have a look.
Right. And so we met, and you came to the office. I'm sure you sort of sussed me out and see who this guy was and what he had to offer.
Well, the big thing for me was I looked on the internet,
Right.
immigration agents.
Yep.
And I've seen a lot of websites, but they just looked not professional.
Okay.
And I didn't want to invest my money in that.
Yes.
And then I looked at your flyer,
Mm-hmm.
I seen the website and thought, well, that looks professional. That looks
Made an
good.
effort. Yeah. That's right.
And that prompted me to make the call.
Okay. Good. So you came and see me. We went through the normal assessment, which is the pros and cons, lots of questions about Myla's situation, your situation, etc.
Yep.
Now you and I were alone here, but yet Myla was back in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So then I initiated the application to go ahead because you said to go through, and then somebody called you from the office.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how was that experience? Who actually called you?
Miss Trini.
Trini, right? And just some comments for a couple of Bayans about your experience with the staff in the office. How was that?
Oh yeah, that was really very nice to me,
Yeah.
and to keep me well informed.
Well informed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good.
And they're very professional.
Good.
Yeah, the staff is very nice. Yeah.
You went to the office. You saw the facilities there.
Yeah, functional.
Yeah. And you liked it. Everything good.
Yeah, everything's good.
So getting back to that application, then we had. I saw the photos. You were still a little kid in the little pram and the little bassinet sort of thing. We had to do an application called an Australian citizen by descent, and basically we went through the application. And when Myla migrated to Australia, her child Mayumi actually carries an Australian passport.
Yes.
Now that was peace of mind. I mean that made
That
me
was a
feel
big
good.
piece of mind.
Yeah.
It really lifted a weight off my shoulders.
Yeah.
Knowing that was done,
Yeah.
settled, and she's an Australian citizen.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and she has a passport.
Yeah.
It was fantastic.
Yeah. On my part, when you were here, like I was working with you with the sponsor, that's what I normally do when I'm in Australia. The service that I provided to you, James, I mean, seriously, were you satisfied with it?
100%.
Ah,
It was my first day here. I felt welcomed.
Yeah.
It was down to earth. You told me exactly what I needed, what I wanted,
Yeah.
what to get,
Yeah.
and that was it. It was fantastic. I couldn't ask for more.
Good. Now, James and Myla's application now is spouse, so Myla will be in Australia for the next 2 years. Then there's a next application stage for permanent residency that will then give her another 5 years, and in that 5 years she needs to settle here for 4 years, and that way she can acquire her citizenship, right? How do you feel when you know that you're here, you've got another stage application, and I'm here to help you with that next application? What goes through your mind?
Honestly, it hasn't even worried me because I know you're here,
Right.
and I know when we get that letter,
Yeah,
the first thing I'm going to do is call you,
yeah, that's good.
and you're going to look after it.
Yes,
You're
that's
going to
good.
help me out.
Yeah,
So it's not really. I just don't feel worried about
okay,
it.
that's good. And how's Mayumi going here in Australia? Like, is she settling in well?
Yeah, she have every month in playgroup.
Yeah,
Yes.
she's grown quickly, hasn't
Yes,
she?
yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Look, we got James and Myla here. Again, if you require assistance, you can go to other agents. There's no problem with that. But also give us a call so that we can go through those fine details. Because during the discovery stage, it's when you find these information that needs to be done early in the application. And in the case of James and Myla here, we knew that we could get Mayumi's application through, and she came to Australia with an Australian passport, which alleviates further requirements for them to do when the child arrives here. She's already an Australian citizen, it's already recognised. Those are some of the things that we go through during that assessment stage. It's a point-by-point, thorough All we ask you to do is not provide false or misleading information. All we ask you to say to us is that you've done this, you've done that, so we're very clear on the strategies for your particular application, and I think the strategies for your particular application was spot on.
It couldn't have gone smoother,
Yeah.
really. As you said, you pointed it out in point form.
Yep, yep.
This stage, this stage, this
Yep.
stage. I need this, I need this, I
Yep.
need this.
Beautiful.
It really went without a hiccup, no bumps.
Right. If you had a message to anyone watching the video, James, what would you say to the, to some of our countrymen?
Look, guys. I'm a normal guy, a normal worker, factory worker, and I didn't want to waste my money. And with Jose, with Rispal, it was money well spent. Just do it. There's no problems. It's really good.
Myla, for anyone from the Philippines looking at this video and considering using a migration agent.
For those you guys looking for someone or an agency that we're able to help you guys and you can trust, but I do really recommend Rispal. Can guarantee you that all the paperwork is in good hands.
Yep, yep.
And all the staff is very professional.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'd just like to say one thing.
Sure.
She's been here now for over 1 year.
Yep.
And she still has contact every so often with Trini.
Yep.
And that's support.
Exactly.
You can't buy that support.
Exactly.
If she has a question, Trini answers it.
Yep.
She has family as well.
Yes.
There's possibilities for other family members.
Yep.
She always answers for us. That's really good support.
Yeah. And that's the one message we really want to send out to everyone that's watching this video, is that it's not just your interest that we're interested about, it's your long-term interest. Because when they are successful, when James and Myla and all the other applicants are very successful here in Australia, we are successful. Because by creating that atmosphere of success, people coming here and they settle in quickly, it gives our service that edge that says, look, we're here for your long-term interest, right? We want to develop relationship. It's not a one-off thing. You come into the office and then we forget you. It's not, because we know for a fact that it's in everyone's best interest, especially when they come here to Australia, that everyone settles in quickly. And if there's any problems or concerns, give us a call. And like James said, we'll come back and answer anything. Look, there's always some concern. There's always some doubt the back of your mind, or you've forgotten an aspect of the application and you just wanted to refresh your memory, and there's never ever a problem, and that's how you've experienced the way we provided our service. Yeah, that's the kind of message that we want everyone who's watching this video about what we do in the Philippines and here in Australia. We highly specialise in lodging those applications physically in the Philippines, and we work closely with a sponsor here in Australia. And it doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in Sydney, Darwin, we've done applications from every major capital and even regional areas of Australia. There's no problem, we can do it. James, listen, thanks for taking up a little time. It's a little overcast here in Blacktown, but it's been a good chat. Myla, look, Mayumi looks great. She's settled in really good, and I'd like to thank you for coming in this afternoon as well. James and Myla and myself here in Blacktown, and it's just another example of how we do these applications for you and your best interest. Thank you very much.